Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Excel Tech and Tricks. In this video, we are going to solve unable to initialize Excel application in Tally. Thus, if you are facing the same problem, then this video will surely help you in fixing it. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. The first solution you can try is saving the file with a new name. To do so, go to the location where your faulty Excel file is saved. Then, left tap over the folder and change the file name. Then check if your error is solved or not. The next solution you can try is updating the Trust Center settings. To do so, click File Options. Select Trust Center Settings. Click Trusted Locations, add new location. Enter the exact folder path where Tally is installed, e.g., C:\program files /Tally Prime. Check the box for subfolders of this location are also trusted and click OK. Sometimes Excel runs in the background in a hung state, blocking new connections from Tally. Simply end up the Excel processes in Task Manager. Press Ctrl+Shift+Escape to open the Task Manager. Look for Microsoft Excel under the Processes tab. Click on it and select End Task. Try exporting the data again from Tally. Corrupted Excel add-ins might cause errors when working on the spreadsheet. To fix such issues, disable these add-ins. For this, open Excel and click on the File menu. On the left panel, click on Options. In Excel Options, click on Add-ins. Under Manage, select Excel Add-ins and click on Go. Disable the add-ins one by one and see if the error is resolved. If you are facing Excel cannot open file error due to workbook corruption, then you can download the Excel Repair tool by clicking on the link given in the description box. This software is designed with an advanced algorithm to repair all sorts of corruption and errors in the Excel file. So, just try it and see how it works. So, this is all about how to solve unable to initialize Excel application in Tally. If you found this video useful, then give it a like, share it with other users facing the same problem, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.